What is going on, YouTube? Just watching Chartrand de Malcommode. Chartrand, an awesome syndicat guy in the old days of Quebec. Anyway, living the dream in paradise.
I dare you under every single circumstance, keep dreaming, keep looking at your dream, keep focusing on your dream, keep going after the dream.
Gorgeous day today. So it's Monday, nothing planned, but I had a friend of mine who actually told me in the holidays that he kept a lot of copper. He said a lot of copper, #1, and stripped and brass. So he already worked on it. So I'm not sure. It's been a while. It's been at least a year that I didn't saw him. So I'm not sure what to expect. But let's go there. I'm going to Verdun. So should be a nice area. Probably gonna be awesome things to film over there. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Just look at that lock that I found. I was looking in full on it on eBay. It's really nice. Milwaukee style, made in USA, master lock. So my eBay thing is really rocking right now. I did a big cleanup in my a big cleanup, let's say. It's small to say that, but this is pretty much my little locker. Have lots of things, all sellable. So pretty much the antiquity are down there. I have 3 antique extinguisher. So pretty much put all stuff that I keep over there. So all those are not listed yet. Have an old chainsaw down there. All the tools, sellable, brand new case. Have 3 kind of itches over there. So look at those vintage. That's gonna be probably my next upload list on eBay. All the brain teaser puzzles. So I played a bit with a couple of them. Some of them are already undone. Anyway, so that's gonna be my next listing. I need to find info on those first, and all listed yet. This is all my listing so far. I filmed it fast on my last video, but that's really cool. My neighborhood just gave me that. A ammo box, World War II. I saw some on eBay. Damn, they are really in rough shape if you compare with those, but no rust at all. So really cool. And the fun part of it, I think so, anyway, from my side of view, the cool part, it's not that nothing is rusted at all. The fun part is, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but there's another stamp under it. 10.5 calibre 50. .06668. So it's like they repaint it for another order. But anyway, it's my neighborhood who gave me, and she's like 92 years old, so I'm sure they have value on them. So. All the rabbit ear antenna. So everything, I packed a couple of things. My sewing machine, the Nechi, I showed it on the other. I listed a lot. Remote control. I'm gonna try them. I was surprised about the price of remote controls. Like that one, sold for 45 bucks without the pack. So anyway, we'll see. So anyway, and I had to go look all the records I have. All those are records. It's not been a while that it's like that. I shouldn't put it like that. That wasn't the plan. I'm not a good guy with records at all. I don't know nothing about records. I listed the 9-track Elvis one. This is that one. Seriously, I would like to have a disc to play it up. I went on eBay. They sell for quite a lot. I thought I separated. I did another pile somewhere. Anyway, so those are my package. So those are my package. Go to the post office. That's my Sega Master System box. So anyway, 50 bucks and 35 bucks. That's the charger Makita, and the auto heater, only 2 bucks. But anyway, what can I do? So, and the other parts, yeah, I want to sell wires. I'm not sure how to sell them, as the box or as foot, because I was thinking of it. I could make like, I don't know, 25 foot tall pieces, sell them on eBay. Not sure. I really have to clean that, man. It's disgusting, but they quite sell for a good amount. Seriously, I was surprised. 200-300 bucks. Still gotta do something with my operette. So yeah, let's go to Virgin Beach, call it that way. Rent are not expensive in that area. It's like a, let's say, a rough area. So, but I always like to go over there. They have good, nice looking architecture. So, scrap till you die, tabarnak. So yeah, I don't even know if I'm allowed to do that, but last time I tried not to do the shipping directly on eBay with Shippo, and I end up with saving a couple of bucks. Seriously, almost 6 bucks for a package. So I'm not trusting the automatically ship method on eBay. So what I did is I just printed both address on the package, and I'm gonna go to the post office. The lady is really kind. Hope she's not gonna be busy in a rush, but I'm gonna make the calcul. I wrote down on a paper. So I have 3 package. If someone of them is gonna be cheaper, I'm gonna use that directly at the post office. But if I see the bill is higher than eBay calculate, because I'm supposed to have like a 5 or 10% discount or something like that, because I'm doing it directly on eBay. But I don't know. It's a test, man. It's just a learning process. So I make some tests, and we'll see. If I do some error, I'll deal with them. So let's go work. Ah, man, it is cold, and so, but snow is kind of melting. Even though it's freezing outside, the sun is gorgeous. So, living the dream in paradise. Going to go ship those packages. Gonna need to put on that again, some gas. Going on the highway for, I don't know, 35-minute road. So on their way there. See you later, folks. Woohoo! Don't forget, I am a two-wheel drive. On snow, if you do know what you're doing, it's not that crazy, but people seems to forget how they drive at the beginning of the year. Now it's okay, but every year winter starts, I'm not even stressed for my driving. I'm stressed for the other ones. They're just like, wow, how the fuck did you do that? So, post office, here we go. My battery is actually really draining fast, man. It's first time I realized it. First winter I realized that. I broke like two drill battery. Anyway, I was talking to myself again, just making sure everything is cool. So it was a big waste of time. I'm actually really saving a lot of money by shipping with Shippo, the set that print the label automatically. So now I need to understand why there was like a lot of weight difference, a lot. So I'm not sure. I really not sure why. I know that I waited again just before printing it, and it wasn't showing the good weight on the label, because when I went at the post office, anyway, I went at the post office, there was a difference of 7 kilo on one box. So I don't know, maybe the customer's gonna complain. He paid for it actually. I don't know, I really don't know. Anyway, it's already been paid, already been shipped. I lost money on one item. I actually did 50 cents with all the fees and took it off. So now it's really late. A lot of waste of time over there going to Verdun Beach. So let's go to Verdun. First and foremost, guess what? Going to Tim Horton. I like the improvisation in the scrap life. I mean, if I think about it, I'm happy to not know at all what tomorrow will expect to me. That's one of the reasons why I'm allergic to a 9-to-5 situation. Because just to think that next year I'm gonna be at the same post doing the same job, stress me seriously a lot. So I worked for 5 years straight for a company, and I was doing a good salary, seriously. I was having a pension at the end. I was not happy at all. I was depressed. So the scrap life gave me that opportunity of, you know, believing in destiny. You know, I have faith and hope in destiny and the future that everything will go well. The sun is shining, the life is beautiful. I mean, if you're feeling depressed right now and you're stressed or anxious about the future, it's just think about it. Life is beautiful. There's so many proof that life is beautiful. I never heard someone say life is easy. But I heard lots of people saying that life is beautiful. So just think about that. There's a thing that Tucker Upper just said on a couple of videos ago. He said this: the sunshine was beautiful. That someone said that to him. The sunshine was beautiful this morning, but no one looked at it. They were all busy getting ready to go work. So it's so freaking true. I mean, life is so beautiful in the little aspect of it. I mean, my heart is beating. I love my son. My son is healthy right now. Thank God. I have problems. I have economical problem. I have health problem. I have many things that I could complain of. But why wasting energy complaining when, I mean, you can complain too. I mean, admire some of the smallest thing that you just forgot at those moments when you're depressed. I mean, I'm breathing, my heart is beating. I drank a good coffee this morning. It was tasty. I appreciate every sip of that coffee. I mean, I could be in the hospital and have my mouth broke and not being able to just take a sip of coffee. Just this, it's my little happiness, my little bonheur, we say, mon petit bonheur, my little proof that life is beautiful. So anyway, living the dream, because it's my dream. I mean, we don't even have proof that what we are living in, it's really proof, no? I mean, living the dream, my dream. It's noon. Traffic, always around here. I did a job over here at the Office National National Film Board of Canada. It's amazing setup inside of that, seriously. I was working in telecommunication wires. So yeah, it's cool. Oh, that's not cool. That's cool. At least I have a coffee, right? You can always put positive in your life. I took the wrong way, but I'm passing on L'Île Sainte-Hélène. So that island was built in '67 with the ground, with the ground of the metro. When they dig for the metro, they had some ground, so they all made an island with it. So right now we have, how do you say that, the casino, and we have La Ronde to park, Six Flag Park. It's pretty much the only thing that L'Île Sainte-Hélène is known for. That's the casino. Where I'm going now. Casino de Montréal, just over there. But no money to waste, no casino for me for sure. So my goal is to go to Jacques-Cartier Bridge. So right now I'm on the circuit Gilles Villeneuve. It's the place where they do the F1. L'Île Sainte-Hélène, sortie du pont de la Concorde. Let's go do a bit of tourist. River. In French there's a word for bigger river. So this is not a river for us, it's a fleuve. Queen Elizabeth restaurant. It's a restaurant, but they closed it like 5 years ago. It was the most expensive restaurant in Quebec. I think it was graded like a 6 stars or something like that, I'm not sure. But anyway, they stopped investing in it and it was losing money, so they stopped. Île Sainte-Hélène is like a small island. I pretty much did all the turn, all the round of the island, la ronde amusement park. Ah, yeah. 6 Flags. We're on Jacques Bridge. Kind of stupid, they put, not stupid, but shamefully, they needed to put some suicide fences. I don't know if you see it, but you probably can't see it, yeah. But there's some suicide fences so people can't climb and jump on the bridge. It's insane when you think about it. Angus. Olympic Stadium. One of the biggest dishonor of Quebec history. We so got screwed with that. Paid it billions and billions of dollars. Seriously, it's insane the price that we paid for it, and always broke it, always have reparation on. It's almost a joke. It's so funny because the mail guy told me it, and the snow removal stopped me too to tell me, hey, there's a dryer just over there. So it wasn't the way. It was for me, so let's go grab it. So that's pretty much my load, nothing extravaganza. My house is just the other side of that street, so a lot of millage just to come back. And found a washer waiting for me. The heavy one. It weighs a ton. I was planning to put it on top, but no way. Elle était dans les jambes pour vrai, tu sais, c'est bizarre en Christ. Moi j'ai vu dans l'arrière, je dis, ça doit être le modèle, après ça j'ai dit, pas le modèle. Elle est bizarre en tabarnouche pour vrai. N'importe qui habite ici, ils savent que ça dure pas longtemps, là, tu sais. Merci, hein? Bien apprécié. Ça pèse une tonne en plus, je suis content. C'est une autre affaire, ça. Salut, mon ami. Really heavy. As I like that. No. Oh yeah. There we go. Let's go home. Quite happy about that found. Very happy. Seriously. Oh yeah. Stove!
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the fifth. Scrap or die, nigga.